Now, if you go to the next step, which is childhood, childhood's when you're at school, you're in infants, you're in primary school, and a time of discovery, a time for most kids where they see magic, where imagination sets in, where they're really expressing themselves and they really feel useful with what they're doing. Getting interest, starting to think for yourself, and obviously in the workplace it means you're starting to know what you're doing.
You're starting to grow. You're starting to step out of that I'm being led everywhere. Now you're starting to take some responsibility. You're starting to stay a bit longer. You're starting now to possibly change programs that were very structured before because you've built a relationship with someone. You've got some trust. As a child's growing, but the client can see that you're evolving, so they're excited to be involved in this relationship as well. And also too, the relationship you have with the person who's probably employing you, because at this stage you still aren't a person who's going to be self-employed. So the person can start to see that you're actually building a positive direction. So his business is going in the right direction.
Sorry, mate, I just got bitten by
Karoi, fantastic. Wildlife nature, love it.
A lot of flies though. They sound like helicopters when they're coming in, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep going, buddy.
So, when we look at that situation where we go into the childhood situation, we now have an ability to be able to say, okay, we can take a bit more responsibility. We can step forward. We can start to take the opportunities to make decisions that don't necessarily have to be passed through our boss every time. If towels need cleaning, picking up, we do that rather than being told to do it. If the waste paper basket, if the water filter needs filling, those sorts of things. If we need to stay a bit longer just to sweep, clean and tidy, we do that. But also too, we start to take a bit more responsibility with the programs that we build for our clients. We can start to manipulate them. The relationship now starts to become far greater because the client can actually start to see that you're starting to become a little more creative.
And did you see trust coming in there as well?
Absolutely.
Trusting that you've got their back, but also that you're moving with them, not with some prescriptive thing that's supposed to be rolled out. It's really them.
And Davo, just as a child, I feel in that time is when we don't go into a conscious mind. We actually go into a reactive relationship. We go into what we would normally call an organic relationship, just like a child to a parent, where there's a bit of leeway, there's a bit of acceptance if they don't quite get it right, but there's also a bit of acceptance if the other party don't quite get it right as well.
Sure.
So it's a really cool time to be there. It really is.
And like in a career, that could be only 6 months down the track. So that growth could be 6 months, and it could be going all the way out into 18 months or whatever in a career. So whereas childhood is over 9 or 10 years.
That's important.
Different in a career.
That's important to make note of too. There aren't a time lapse on each of these sections. Some people will go through the infancy stage longer than others, and that's not right or wrong. It's just what it is. So it's important to say, we're hoping that you don't go through childhood as a coach, trainer, practitioner, facilitator, or whatever for 9 years.
Sure.
However, some of us will get there a bit longer than others. There's no prize for coming first. Yeah.